welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Gemini versus Gemini Advanced. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here you will see. This is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about technology. Google Gemini provided built on Google Basic AI framework and Google Gemini Advanced provided enhanced with advanced AI algorithms, more precise data processing. So Gemini Advanced is better. Now let's look at the speed. The speed of Google Gemini is faster than typically AI models, and the speed of Gemini Advance is optimized for even faster response times and processing power. So Gemini Advance is better. Now let's look at the accuracy. The accuracy of Google Gemini is high accuracy, but limited by base tech. And the accuracy of Gemini Advance is superior accuracy with more training and refined models. So Gemini Advance is better. Now let's look at the training data. In Google Gemini, general purpose training set is available, and in Gemini Advance, extensive specialized data set for niche task is available. So Gemini Advance is better. Now let's look at the customization. In Google Gemini, limited customization option is available, and in Gemini Advance, more flexible, allowing tailored solution for specific needs. Customization option is available. So Gemini Advance is better. Now let's look at the scalability. Google Gemini is scalable but with moderate flexibility, and Gemini Advance is highly scalable with robust integration capabilities. So Gemini Advance is better. Now let's look at the use cases. The use cases of Google Gemini's general applications like chatbots and automations, and the use case of Gemini Advance, more specialized applications including advanced data analysis and research. So Gemini Advance is better. Now let's look at the integration. In Google Gemini, good integration with Google products is available, and in Gemini Advance, seamless integration with both Google products and third-party tools is available. So Google Gemini Advance is better. Now let's look at the cost. The cost of Google Gemini is generally lower price, and the cost of Gemini Advance is premium pricing for advanced features and capabilities. So Gemini is better if budget is an issue. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.